This is homework for 4:30:15. Okay.
Ooh, I don't want you wearing sensual to school. I don't have to like beat the boys off you or anything.
Good commentary, guys. This is homework for 4:30:15. Shout out to all the girls who got clip bombed by Lamont. And yes, me and Kaylee will be eating in this video. Haha. That was great. First problem. M to the 4th power times 2 to the 2m to the power of -3. So here's your expanded form. And so 2 times m to the 4 times is 2m to the 4th power. And so right here we have 5 1s on the bottom and then 3 m's on the bottom. So on the bottom we have m to the 3rd power, and then I expanded it here, and then I did the canceling out, and my final answer was 2m. Second problem. Okay. Just kidding. First secret message. In the top left corner of your paper, write
Boogers!
not boogers, write, we all know Lamont was the one putting the guilty one, putting clips in everyone's hair. Okay, second problem. 4r to the power of -3, r to the power of 2. Jesus. Excuse my language. Guess what amendment I just violated? Okay. Okay, write that amendment right here on the left side of your worksheet. Alright. I did go over the second problem, right? No. Okay. Okay, so here's the second problem. Here's the expanded form. So, on the top, 4 times 1 is 4, and these r's cancel out with the bottom r's down here, so on top we have 4, and then there's no r's on the double, or the bottom. Oh wait, no, just kidding, there's 1 r, and so r times 1 is r, so our answer is 4 over r. Third problem, c to the power of 4 d over cd to the power of 4. So, and here's an expanded form. Cancel out the c's and the d's, and you get c to the 3rd power and d to the 3rd power. Hi, Kaylee. And that's our final answer. Okay. This is our third secret message. Spell my name backwards. Spell Carson backwards. Spell it backwards. And write it in the top right corner if you don't have anything there. Yeah, top right corner. I don't care if you have something there. You shouldn't. Okay. Fourth problem. Here's the expanded form. So these 3 w's cancel out, and you have 2 w's left on the bottom with a 21 and a 3 on top. So your final answer is 3 over 21w to the power of 2. Fifth problem. X, Y, Z to the power of 2 over x to the power of 2, y, z. So x, y, the x's, the y's, and the z's cancel out, and you are left with z over y, z over x. In the top right corner, write what cereal this is. Yes. What cereal is this? Alright. Okay. Sixth problem. In the parentheses, we have 4x to the power of 0, and then outside the parentheses, we have 4, or to the power of 4. So, 0 cancels all this out and makes it 4, or x to the power of 0 is 1, so if we put it in expanded form, we have 4 times 1 4 times. And if you do 4 to the power of 4, it equals 256. Seventh problem. 4x to the power of 0, y to the power of negative 2, z to the power of negative 3 over 4xy to the power of negative 1. Here's our expanded form. We have 4 over 1 times 1 over y times 1 over y times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 on top. And then on bottom we have 4 over 1 times x over 1 times 1 over y. And hello. And 4 over 1 cancels out, and 1 over y cancels out. So on top we have 1 over y times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 over x over 1, which equals 1 over y times 1 over 2 to the power of 3 times 1 over x, because we're timesing the top by the bottom's opposite reciprocal, and we get 1 over x, y, z to the power of 3. Okay, so this bottom part of the worksheet is going to be extra credit, and Miss Stefan is going to grade you on this extra credit, so I'm not doing the answers for that. And fourth secret message, write Kara rocks, because she made up all of her work on the bottom of the page. Here is a selfie of me and Kaylee for your enjoyment, and Mary is photobombing in the back, as you see here. And yeah, have a good day.